Sing Sang Tai Tai Leho. I am Mary Jane Doge, born on December 22, 1990, 35 years old, from Rizal, Philippines. I have a live-in partner and blessed with 4 children, ages 15, 11, 7, and 5 years old. I am a college undergraduate and I like cleaning, cooking, taking good care of kids. I work as a housemaid in the Philippines for 3 years and 7 months, from January 2015 to August 2018. I serve one couple and 3 children, ages 8, 3 years old, and 7 months old baby. I work as a domestic helper in Saudi Arabia for 2 years, from February 2022 to February 2024. I am taking care of their pets.
Hello, Miss Mary Jane Doge. How are you today?
I am good and thank you, sir.
Okay, may we know your main duties from your previous employer?
My main duties is taking care of the whole family, providing the services that they need, and taking care of their pets.
Okay, so what if the parents of your employer always finding mistakes to your work? What will you do?
Sir, I will focus to my work and do my best to improve it.
Alright, what is the most important thing in taking care of children?
To prepare their foods on time, check if their clothes is wet, and always keep them safe.
How will you assist the child when crossing the street?
Hold their hands and look to the right and left before crossing.
Alright, what is the most important thing in carrying a baby?
Regularly check the diaper if it's wet, feed the baby on time, and give the medicine on time.
How will you arrange your duties if only you and the baby left in the house?
Attend the baby first, bath the baby, feed the baby, and once the baby is sleeping, that is the time that I can do my household chores.
Okay, so what if you found out that the baby has fever and your employer is not at home? What will you do?
First, I need to call and inform my employer or the parents, and I call a doctor for help and advice.
Okay, do you have any last message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please choose me as your housemaid because I badly need this job. It will help me to grow as a person. It will be a big help for my family. I promise to do my duties and responsibilities, and I will finish my contract.
Alright, before we end, can you share your best smile? Thank you very much, Miss Mary Jane Doge, and hope to see you very soon in abroad.
Sir, thank you, and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.